Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am in a new location as you can see. So we are going to do a really quick, I guess it's going to be quick. We don't know if it's going to be quick. It's going to be kind of like a vlog setup. So we're going to be recording my oldest daughter headed off to college and the process that she is going through to prepare to go to college. Now we're going to see if we can try and incorporate some budget stuff in here. Perhaps she can kind of tell us how much she paid for some things and that kind of thing. But we're going to see if we can. If we can't, then we're just going to clearly make this a vlog of my first child on her way to college. Yes, one down, two to go. All right, we're back and we're down here with Melanie and she's going to talk us through what she's trying to figure out. She's packing on her way headed to college, and as you can see, she started with her shoes. Would you like to wave to the camera?
Hi.
Hi. All right, you want to tell us what you were thinking or trying to figure out?
Trying to figure out which shoes, because I have a lot of heels.
Okay, a lot of heels.
Obviously, I'm not going to wear them all. So
Right.
I was just going to take a black pair, take a brown pair.
Okay.
And that's it.
That sounds good to me.
Okay.
Because summer shoes are definitely not the thing right now.
Why are these shoes? We're not going to talk about that.
Oh, we are taking those? Okay, they are going.
And those.
And more sandals are going. Okay.
That's it for those.
All right.
Put those over there, and then these.
Okay, we're trying to figure out what we're taking because she has a roommate and they are literally going to room in the same room together. So yeah, can't take a whole lot. The space is probably not as big as her room. If it is, it's probably right around the same size for 2 beds to get in there. Actually, no, this room is probably bigger.
This room is definitely bigger.
Okay, she just confirmed this one is definitely bigger. Okay, so we got to take the old school shoes. That I think those are the ones where she works. She don't care about those are, you always have to take that pair of shoes that you just don't care about getting dirty.
So like, do I take these or just take these?
Great question. I am not sure. What about these blue and green and...
Oh, I'm still wearing those.
Okay, those are still being worn. All right.
I can't take those yet. These are still being worn.
Those are still being worn. Okay.
And these are, are these still being worn?
Okay, we're debating.
Oh, I just unplugged my TV.
Huh? Oh.
That's my TV.
Okay. She unplugged the TV.
Anyways.
So that's what we're doing here, guys. We are just going through shoe boxes to see what all is going to end up in this bin. So I'm going to come back to you with a smaller clip a little bit later, and we're going to be able to tell you what actually ends up in this bin, or if there are 5 or 6 bins of shoes. So yes, we will let you know a little bit later. Okay, this was short and sweet. This is what we have in this bin, and it's actually only one bin. And we're hearing that what else is going to go in here?
2 more pairs of sneakers and a pair of sandals.
2 more pairs of sneakers and a pair of sandals. All right. See all them boxes and stuff? They're still over there. When she come back, this room will be no more. We're going to take all of her stuff out of here. I'm going to pack it up. She don't believe me, guys.
Could you say that?
I say that all the time, that I'm going to put her out.
Yeah.
And yeah, it may just happen one day.
It's not gonna happen.
I'm not sure what's going on with her life now.
I unplugged my TV by accident. So.
You don't know how to plug it back?
No, because I want the cord to go behind the TV.
Well,
like,
why you can't do that?
Because I don't feel like moving it right now.
I think we got a bit of a dilemma, people.
Ain't no dilemma.
Back to the room. Let's follow her to the room, guys. You will get to see what's going on in this room. Oh, my word. Now, you're getting firsthand all of this stuff that's going. It's hopefully I'm going to be able to show you another viewpoint once all this stuff is packed tightly.
It is tight.
Are you sure?
That's it. I can't do anything else.
So even the stuff there are tons of bins underneath there.
That stuff can't go in. It's too big to put in a bin.
Which way are you going with this stuff?
I don't know.
Okay, so we're going through here. Let's see if we can see what she has in her hand. I think there's a backpack there. And what is that, the other thing underneath there?
That's my ottoman.
Ottoman, okay. Yes. This is my actual room where I have my business. For those who have been, following me, you hear me talk about my side hustles. You've seen videos on my side hustles. I actually did a video on the day in the life of my Uniquely Inspired Designs business. Yeah, this is where all the magic happens. But look like right now, no magic is happening in here for the business because we're trying to move this little one to college. And things are still coming out of Amazon bags for some reason. I guess we're still packing up. Okay, that went to the trash there. Okay. So, all right. Another bin gets a top. Yay.
That should be it for this one. This is all the bathroom stuff.
Okay, that's bathroom stuff I'm hearing.
Now listen to the other half.
Okay. Her roommate has, whoa, that is paper.
That's why.
Whoa.
Why is it so heavy?
Her roommate has the rest of the bathroom stuff. Okay. All right. And the clothing and coats and all that stuff we're going to leave right there on the hangers. There's no need to take items that are hanging off of hangers to fold them, to put them in a bin, and then get there, unfold them, and put them back on a hanger. That makes no sense. So, yeah, we're just going to drape a couple of garbage bags over those items and call it a day. All right, we're getting our backpack together, and I'm really just not filling this cardboard box right here with this Bath and Body Works stuff in it. I'm not
really. In a bin?
Yes.
You want me to put it in a bin?
Are you going to, well, are you going to need the other bins? How many are over there?
No, there's 3 over here and there's still 2 right there.
Yeah, whoa, forgot about those. It would probably...
I bought like 10 bins.
Yeah, I think we need to...
Put everything needs to be in
repack that box, yeah, because it just looks out of order. We want some sort of uniformity.
I shouldn't have any more bins, because if I put this in a bin, and then all my clothes are going in those stored in the drawers.
In these drawers here?
Yeah.
That makes sense. And then just tape the drawers up with the clothes in them. That makes sense.
There, just put it under the bed.
Guys, for those who need to know some packing strategies, y'all need to listen. She's coming up with some very smart moves of packing, so you won't have to double duty with unpacking.
I'll put my blanket in there.
Put the blanket inside the ottoman. See, that's the way you do things.
It's going in there anyway.
Right. So, yep. That is going to be a winner.
And I still...
Whew! Another top goes on a bin.
I gotta come back out because I gotta go get the stuff out of the other room.
Oh, no. More things
it
have
might
to
just
go
go in here, though. Cause
yeah, that one has more. Right. Sounds good. What is this bin with no top?
That's my winter clothes, but then I decided that I was gonna wear something out of there, so I came back and took it out. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So now I need another bin.
All right, so we're gonna put this other stuff in a bin. We'll be back when we show you how nice and neat this stuff is gonna look in this bin, as opposed to that cardboard box.
It's nice and neat.
That's okay. You're small. We're back, and now, as you can see, we moved to the closet. So let's go over and take a look at these bins. See, this is the old Target box that's now empty. I'm glad it is. And this is the results. Nicely packed in bins. Yes, yes, yes. Now we're at the closet because I kind of thought we were through getting winter clothes, but now we are.
Yeah, winter clothes.
Oh, these are just other clothes. Okay, so all of this, yeah, see how that stack is getting? You can't even see the coat that I first showed you. Yeah, it's underneath that stack now, and as you can see, we're still looking for more clothes.
This can go in a drawer.
Okay, in the drawer it's going. And the reason why she's able to get so many clothes in one bin because she rolled her clothes military style. Actually, the majority of the items that are fabric based are rolled, which is a very, very cool strategy for packing and making things compact. Okay. Are we getting close to the finish line in this closet?
Yeah, this other stuff I don't. Look at this.
Okay, see? What about this? We keep going down, down, down. Okay. All right. Okay, now that hanger hit the floor. And I'm not sure why, but yeah. All right, so yeah. Now, I'm going to end this vlog for tonight here as she continues to get clothing out of the closet because this mound of clothes here is probably going to grow. So, yeah. And ain't no telling how long she's probably going to be in this closet. So, do you have any departing words, Melanie?
No, not tonight.
Nothing for tonight?
I think I'm done now.
You think you're done? How much would you say you spent? Oh, goodness. If we have to think, then this is definitely not budget life. I don't know what's going on here.
No, I am moving.
You're moving. So this is moving. But this should still be moving on a budget.
Yeah, we're moving on a budget.
Okay. So
because I spent.
What
did I spend? I spent like $200.
200 plus. Oh, I don't know what I spent. Some of this is last year's stuff because
like the
due to COVID we didn't go. So yeah, the bedding.
Yeah, the bed like that stuff. I spent like $50.
$50.
Yeah, with all the bedding stuff. Plus, I got the lamp. Like, yeah, I didn't spend that much last year.
Okay, so that was $250.
And then Dad.
Okay.
Spent another $200.
All right. Dad spent another $200. That's $450. We're moseying along. We haven't bought food, guys. Please remember that no food has been bought. Okay, so now I think we're roughly right around $500 right now, but I will give you a total of this move once it's over with.
All the receipts are in there. So.
Oh yeah, see, budget life. She keeps up with her receipts. Very good.
Probably good. When I have the receipts up, it's gonna be more.
All right, I'm hearing that it's probably going to be more than that once we get the receipts. But as you can see, she's transferring hangers. Would you like to tell the audience why you're changing hangers?
Because I bought velvet hangers.
Okay.
And so I just gonna go ahead and put my stuff on the hangers so that when we get there, I just hang it up. And plus, I wanted all the same hangers, and I didn't want to take the hangers from here.
Okay.
So.
Gotcha. So that's the reason why we're changing hangers. But I'm hoping that these hangers are going to not be on the floor like they were in the bottom of the closet. So hopefully we're gonna make that little change, that little adjustment. So I am really ending this vlog tonight here because this is a whole mound of clothing that has to go on those velvet hangers.
No, I only got 3 more pieces left.
Oh, you had already done
something?
Some of them?
The rest, the ones that I pulled out last week.
Oh, okay. All right.
I did them already.
Cool. So not much more to do.
Yeah,
So After you change the hangers over, what's left for this evening?
Probably gonna put them in trash bags.
Okay, in trash bags they go?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna go get the school supplies from the other room.
Okay.
And then I think that's it. That's really all I can do until Tuesday.
Till we get ready to pack the very last thing, set of things.
Well, I can do stuff on Monday. I can pack up these drawers on Monday.
Okay.
And some of my toiletries. And then the rest is gonna have to wait till Tuesday.
All right, so that's kind of where we're gonna wrap this up at, guys. We got to do the hanging clothes. They're going in bags. We're gonna get some school supplies and get them packed up in the school supply box, and that's gonna do it for this evening. So we're ending this vlog here for the night. Good night. Melanie, wave good night to the good people.